HIV is a virus that affects the immune system, a group of cells that protects our body against invaders. The virus is made out of a cell membrane, and on the membrane are virus proteins. Inside the virus, there is RNA, genetic information that will be used to create more viruses. A person carrying the HIV virus may not show any symptoms for up to 8 years. This is called the latency period. In the body, HIV affects a special type of white blood cells called the CD4 cells. In a healthy person, CD4 cells work to alert other white blood cells of pathogens in the body. Together, white blood cells destroy any invaders that are trying to make you sick. When a person is infected with the HIV virus, the virus attacks CD4 cells. HIV virus proteins change very often so that white blood cells cannot recognize them. HIV membrane proteins are able to attach to the CD4 membrane proteins to enter the CD4 cells. Once inside the CD4 cells, the virus releases its RNA, genetic material, and tricks the CD4 cells into making viral DNA. With virus DNA, the white blood cells will now begin making more and more HIV viruses. Eventually, the viruses will break out of the CD4 cells and destroy it. A healthy person has 500 to 1,500 CD4 cells in 1 cubic millimeter of blood. That's a tiny amount of blood, about the size of this dot. A person has AIDS when the CD4 cell count in the blood falls below 200 cells per cubic millimeter. So HIV is the name of the virus, while AIDS is the condition when CD4 cells are below 200 and there are many viruses in the blood. AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. A person doesn't die because they have AIDS. A person dies because their immune system can no longer protect them from other diseases such as pneumonia, cancer, or even parasites. These diseases are called opportunistic infections. Bacteria and viruses are taking advantage of a person's weak immune system to make them very sick or to kill them. Currently, there is no cure for AIDS, but there are many drugs that can help treat the infection. Entry inhibitors prevent HIV from attaching to CD4 cells. Integrase inhibitors prevent virus DNA from being incorporated into the cell's DNA. Nukes prevent HIV from changing its RNA into DNA. And protease inhibitors prevent new HIV from forming. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. A special thanks to Eva Reyes for making this video possible.